laughing at your lashes and lipstick right now. Had a long week, played tennis this morning, so I am a little tired. But I did want to come at you right quick and let you know that Sensationnel's Lulutress line is finally available. I have literally been waiting on this hair since February. Became available last week, and of the 10 styles that you saw rolling at the beginning there, I purchased their Beach Curl in 1B, see that right here, and their Bohemian in color number 2. Mainly these two styles because they're the two styles that I tried of the old school snap, which Lulutress is basically replacing or updating. And I wanted to see how that hair compared to the hair that I tried like 3-4 years ago. And this is what I found. Now what I really wanted to do was a side-by-side comparison of the old snap Beach Curl and Bohemian against this new Lulutress, but didn't have any of that hair from 4 years ago. Ain't nobody got time for that. So what I did do was go back and watch my videos from when I installed it 4 years ago, and the main thing that I see is different is that the old snap hair was a lot more silky. This new Lulutress has a lot more yucky texture. So since I am still rocking Sensationnel's braid out from that I installed last weekend, I will not be taking that out. But I did want to see how the new Lulutress hair was to work with. So I just happen to have one of Sensationnel's 4-quadrant Vixen wig caps that I hadn't used. So I am going to make a crochet unit using the new Lulutress Bohemian curl. I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll be back at you when I finish, hopefully a little more presentable. So please stay tuned. YouTube, I'm back! Day 2, feeling a whole lot better. And this again is the hair that I'm working with. It's the new Lulutress line from Sensationnel. Let me give you my pros and cons about this hair. My top 3 pros for this hair would be that it is very soft and light, it is natural looking, and the 18 inches is a nice comfortable length. Now on to my cons about this hair, and the number 1 thing about this Bohemian style that didn't quite float my boat is that the packs are kind of on the light side. You get 15 strands per pack, and trust and believe, I use some more than generous spacing on my unit. I have 3 packs installed. This is my 4th pack. It is not going to be enough to complete this unit. I might have to get some more hair. Gonna need at least 5 packs for this installation. Number 2, the hair is a tad more on the silky side than it is on the yucky side. And since I did not separate the strands, what I had to do in order for those knots to be secure was use that 2 tiny strand method, where you take a tiny strand from each side and tie those off. That's a bit of more work than you really want to do sometimes. Number 3, if you do try to separate these strands, unless you put something on this hair, these strands do not separate that well. You're gonna get some tangling and some frizzing. Those are my top 3 concerns about this hair. All things considered, I really do like how my unit is shaping up, how natural the hair looks, and I can't wait to rock this wig as soon as it's completed. As far as the beach curl, I do plan on installing that in Crochet Braids, so be on the lookout for that video in 411 coming in May. And if there's any other of the new 10 Lulutress styles that you'd like to see me review, you know what to do. Post a comment below and I will do my best to get some of that hair and give you all the 411. That will do it for my first look at a couple of the styles from the new Lulutress line from Sensationnel. Anything I did not touch on, you know what to do. Post that question, comment below. I promise to get right back at you. And be sure to stay glued to my channel. There is a whole lot of new crochet hair out. I'm going to do my best to bring you the 411 on as many of the new styles as I can. Gone for now though, YouTube. And you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.